Look both ways when you walk. Even inside, take time to talk. Don't run fast on shiny floors. Walk with care, walk with care. Don't touch sockets, wires too. Electric things are not for you. Hands are plugged, that's the rule. Zappy zap, not cool, not cool. Stairs are tricky, go step by step. Hold the rails with every step. 1 foot, 2 feet, down we go. Step by step, nice and slow. Hot things burn, so stay away. Ovens, kettles, no touch, no play. Feel the heat, give it space. Hot is hot, it's not a race. Cleaning sprays are not for fun. Keep them locked for everyone. If it smells, don't take a sniff. Spray away, sniffing's a myth. Sharp things cut, they're not a toy. Not for any girl or boy. Knives and scissors are for bigs. Snip, snip, not for kids. Doors can pinch, don't slam or shove. Close them gently, show your love. Fingers safe, we count them all. Open, close, don't let them fall. Slippers on, no slips today. Barefoot running's not okay. Stay on rugs that do not slide. No more slips, safe we glide. Toys are fun, but clean them fast. Pick them up when play is past. No tripping on the living floor. Tidy up, we want no sore. Windows high, don't climb the sill. Keep your feet on flat ground still. Look, don't lean or peek too far. Windows stay just where they are. Bath time's wet, so take it slow. No jumping when you see the flow. Rubber mat and towel near. Splashy safe, we cheer, we cheer. Don't hide behind the heavy doors, or under beds, or on the floors. Hide and seek can be a trap. Safe and sound, no mishap. Don't eat what's not your food, even if it smells real good. Ask a grown-up if you may. Yummy, yes, not yuck today. Always tell when something's wrong. A cough, a fall, or scary song. Big folks help and know what's best. Tell, don't hide, that's our quest. Home is safe when we all care. Help each other everywhere. Sing this song and you will see. Safe at home, just like me.